Today we finished the second VIP with Jill. We had one in Cyprus, one here in Athens, and I'm not gonna lie, the past month has been really tough for me. Apart from many classes, workshops, one-on-one sessions, being a single mom, doing 6 workouts per week, it's a lot. So today I did everything. I woke up, I went for my run, everything was ready in the venue. I had amazing support from my team, but I forgot to call the school, Joy's school, to say that I would go and pick her up. So while I was on my way to pick her up, they called me and they were like, are you is the bus bringing Joy? Are you picking her up? And I'm like, oh my God, guys, I forgot. Anyway, I go to the school, pick her up, and Joy looks at me immediately and says, you're a bad mom. VIP went so well today. We had 9.8 out of 10 feedback. I was so happy. I gave a lot of value to my students. And this phrase really just like was so tough on me. And I was like, oh my God, this is going to ruin everything for me. But I immediately had the strength to pick myself up. And I said, am I a bad mom? I'm doing my 100%. My 100% maybe sometimes falls short, and that's okay. I want to write this as a tattoo on every mom, especially you single moms, but not all moms. You're doing your best, and when your 100% falls short, it's okay. Again, you're a kick-ass, badass, incredible mom, and don't let anyone say the opposite.